Have you noticed that some social media accounts are growing very fast, but nobody really knows who is behind them? No face reveals, no cameras, no expensive equipment. Yet they're getting millions of views, promoting products, and building audiences every hour. The secret? Many of them are not real people at all. They're AI-generated characters. And today, creating one is easier than ever because Google has released free tools that can generate consistent AI models and even turn them into videos. In today's video, I'll show you the complete process from start to finish, including a method that lets you create content again and again without worrying about limits. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Flow. Once you're inside, create a fresh project. After that, head over to the character section. This is where you'll build the digital person that will appear in your content. Now here's where most beginners go wrong. They type something simple like beautiful influencer. Then they wonder why the result looks boring. The truth is simple. Generic prompts create generic characters. If you want people to stop scrolling, your character needs something unique that makes it memorable. A different style, a different personality, something that immediately catches attention. To make things easier, start with one of Flow's templates. When you select a template, the platform automatically creates a detailed prompt that matches the style you choose. This gives you a much stronger starting point. Next, use any AI chatbot. Paste your prompt and ask it to improve the description. You can also tell exactly what type of person you want to create. Maybe a luxury influencer, a fitness creator, a fashion model, or even a futuristic digital celebrity. Once the AI improves your prompt, copy it and return to Google Flow. Paste it into the prompt box. For the image model, choose Nano Banana 2. It's free to use and produces impressive results. Now click Generate. Within a few moments, your first character will appear. The image looks good, but we're not finished yet. One photo isn't enough if you want consistency. That's why Flow gives you the option to create additional reference images. Simply add your generated image as a reference. The system will then create different views of the same person. Front view, side view, different poses, different expressions. This helps the AI understand exactly who your character is. Later, when you create videos, the face remains much more stable and recognizable. Give your character a name before moving on. You can even assign a voice now if you already know how you want the character to sound. A quick tip, don't settle for the first result. Since image generation is free, create several versions. Test different styles. Experiment with different personalities. Then choose the character that stands out the most. Remember, different businesses need different faces. A sports brand may need an athletic personality. A jewelry company may need a luxury influencer. A movie promotion might require a fictional character. The more targeted your character is, the better the results usually are. If you already have your own photo or brand mascot, you can upload it and use it as the foundation for your character. Just remember to organize everything properly so you can find your projects later. Now comes the exciting part, turning images into videos. Inside Flow, open the media section. Type the @ symbol. A menu will appear showing all the characters you've created. Select the one you want to use. Because the character was built using references, Flow understands how to keep the same appearance throughout future content. Next, generate several images showing the character in different situations. You can place them in various locations. Make them hold products, create marketing scenes, or build content for social media posts. Generate multiple options and choose your favorites. If you don't like what you see, generate more. The image creation process doesn't cost anything. Now, let's talk about video creation. There are several ways to do this. Most users will probably stick with the free option. But if you want higher quality outputs, there's another method worth looking at. I found that manually choosing every image and video was slowing everything down. So I connected Claude with advanced AI creation tools. Here's how it works. Open Claude, go into the customization settings, then open the connector section, create a new custom connector. After that, visit Higgsfield. This platform gives access to powerful image and video generation models. Inside the MCP section, you'll find the connection code. Copy it, return to Claude, and paste it into the connector setup. Save everything. Now Claude can work with those tools directly. Instead of doing every step manually, you can simply describe what you want and let the AI handle most of the work. If you'd rather stay inside Google Flow, that's perfectly fine. Open the video section. Before creating videos, choose a voice for your character. Flow includes a collection of voice options. Listen to a few samples. Pick the one you like best. Save it. From that point on, your character will use the same voice across future videos. This makes the content feel much more professional. When creating a video, select the images you generated earlier as references. Then choose the VO 3.1 Lite model. Write a prompt describing what you want the character to do. Click Generate. A short time later, your video will be ready. And in most cases, the result closely follows your instructions. Now, there is one thing you should know. Video generation inside Flow uses credits. The free plan provides a limited number of videos each day. Thankfully, those credits refresh automatically, so you can come back the next day and continue creating. But what if you don't want any limits at all? There's another option. Open One AI. This platform allows you to generate both images and videos. You may notice a credit setting. When credits are enabled, processing is faster. When credits are disabled, generation takes longer. However, the major advantage is that you can continue creating without worrying about usage limits. Upload the characters you've already created. Use them as references, then ask the platform to create videos. One thing that makes this tool interesting is how well it maintains facial consistency. The character continues to look like the same person from beginning to end. You can even place multiple characters together in one scene. That opens up a lot of possibilities for storytelling, advertising, and content creation. Now it's your turn. Start building your first AI character and see where it takes you.